In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find out who removed you from a Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you've suddenly been kicked out of a session, want to understand what happened, or simply want to prevent it from happening in the future, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, start by contacting the meeting organizer. Microsoft Teams doesn't provide a direct notification or log that shows exactly who removed a participant, so reaching out to the organizer is the fastest way to get clarity. Ask them politely if they know who removed you or if they removed you themselves. Often, the organizer has full control and can provide the answer right away. Next, check if the organizer has attendance tracking enabled. If they do, they can access the meeting attendance report, which shows a list of participants who joined and left the meeting. This can give insights into when you were removed and potentially who had the ability to do it. You might notice the exact time you were removed and correlate it with other participants' activity. You can also consider asking in the meeting chat if accessible. Sometimes sending a polite message asking for clarification can quickly resolve confusion without needing a report. This works especially well if the meeting is still ongoing or if you have access to the chat history afterward. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you know who the organizer is before reaching out. Check your Teams app for any chat messages from the host, and keep a note of the meeting time and details. These can help the organizer identify the issue faster. Doing this beforehand saves time and avoids unnecessary back and forth. Once you've gathered the information, you can take steps to prevent this in the future. If you're the organizer, adjust your meeting settings so that only you or designated presenters can remove participants. This ensures that your sessions remain under your control and avoids accidental removals. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to understand who removed you from a Microsoft Teams meeting and take preventive measures easily and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If it helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might face the same issue. Why not make someone's Teams experience smoother and stress-free?